I'm in the little hamlet of New Chapel on the Surrey-Sussex border near East Grinstead, walking along the perimeter of one of two Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints temples that there are in the UK at the moment. And this is the London Temple, the other one being the Preston Temple in Chorley in Lancashire. Absolutely spectacular building. The temple is sadly closed to the public, but I think the grounds are open. There are many, many acres of grounds that I think are open to the public outside of COVID-19, obviously. There are currently 168 dedicated LDS temples in the world. This includes 161 currently operating and 7 closed for renovation. There are also 17 more under construction and several others announced but not yet built.